Now let us see mathematical operators. So we know we can add two numbers, we can subtract two numbers, and like we can write this inside the print. Why we are using print we have discussed earlier. So now we can even divide the number. So here it is giving like 2.0. Suppose we want the whole number. For that we will be writing 2 slashes and 3. This will give the whole number. But here if you give the whole number, it will be 0, rounded to 0. So if you want the whole number rounded it to, you should have to use 2 slashes. So you can use multiplications like 2 and the symbol is asterisk or the star symbol, and you can write like 2 is equal to 8. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 3 also. So for that we should have to write 2 double asterisk 3 8 2 double asterisk 12 2 to the power of 12 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 12 times is equal to 4096. Like this we can give the multiplication and power of, and if you want to use the remainder while multiplication, we can use the percentage symbol. Let us say 2 6 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Suppose 5 modulus symbol 2, the remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Like this you can get the remainder also. We can like assign these values to the variables, as we know, is equal to 4, z is equal to 5, and now write like mathematical expression into x minus y. You can write the mathematical expressions. So what is the order of operation? So here we are writing plus, multiplication and minus, all of them. But what is the order? First, will it add x plus y or will it multiply? Always remember, first is multiplication. First x into y is done. So what is x into y? 8. Then addition will done. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. First multiplication and then division, then addition and then subtraction. That is the order of mathematical operation. Suppose we want to add x plus y. So what we can do? We can place parenthesis or brackets. Multiplication of x minus y. Here there is showing error because we have printed the y capital Y. Parenthesis x plus y multiplication x minus y. In this case, first the members inside the brackets will be executed and then multiplication will come first and then the subtracted. So the order of operation is first parenthesis, then multiplication, then division, then addition and then subtraction. However you write, first multiplication will be done, but here we have put it in parenthesis. That's why plus x plus y is done, then the value of x plus y is multiplied with y, x and subtracted by y. So this is all about the mathematical operations we can do. We can assign it to the variables, we can print it, like we can write anything, print. Inside that we can write 45 minus 7 divided by and multiply by 2 minus 3. So in this, what will first happen? First mathematical multiplication will happen, then the division will happen, then subtraction will take place. This gives the result 38 point. This is a floating point. Remember that this double slash is used to round up. Suppose here 5 by 2 is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, and now 5 we are rounding it, it will result into 2. So according to the requirement you will using the operators. So this is all about the mathematical operators. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.